Your girl is busy with another video. So I'm spraying her face. Look at her. She just has some beautiful skin. With some rose water, I'm using the MAC Strobe Can I talk? Cream. And I love to use this strobe cream when I'm going for a really glowy, dewy, natural look. And then I am using the Colourpop Precise Brow Pencil in Cocoa to fill in her brows. And I'm not doing too much on her brows, something really natural. And that's what this look, okay, get it together, Ashley. This is the type of look that we are going for today. Natural, cute, simple, straight to the point. And this look did not require many steps, so get prepared to do this on one of your clients or maybe yourself, because it's really easy, simple. You just need the right tools to make sure you have a flawless finish. And I am going to conceal her brows. I love to use a flat brush. You can use a MAC 252 brush or a Wet n Wild concealer brush, anything with a flat angle to carve out those brows. And I'm using a Colourpop concealer. Of course, I will have it in the description box. It's looking a little ashy at first, so I make mistakes, and that's okay, but we back with the right shade. So I had mixed, I know y'all keep mixing. Look, we mixing, okay? We mixing to get the right shade. It's okay to mix, and if you don't have the shade, mix it. I mixed a Nars and two Nars, actually. No. It was a Nars and a Too Faced, but let's head on to the concealer. I use Colourpop concealer, and I used this is the problem with the contour and why it was a little bit hard to blend it out. I set the face and then I put a cream contour. Don't do that. But it ended up blending out really well, but it's just going to take a little bit more time. Going in with the OG Jaclyn Hill palette, her first collaboration with Morphe. I can't wait to try the second palette, because this palette is my go-to. Y'all can see how dusty it is. But I'm going in with a neutral brown transition color and with a fluffy brush, and just going in circular motions and packing that color on until it is vivid and seamless and flawless. And I usually like to pack the color on until it's as bold as I want it to be. And with a different fluffy brush, I'm going in. Honestly, you could have used the same fluffy brush. She has very small eyes. So I actually would prefer a more precise brush than this one. But hey, it got the job done. And without even carving out that crease, I'm just going to go straight on with that pigment. And I'm going to pat it on her lid and carve out her crease by doing so. And instead of, you can skip the step of going with a primer, or you can add the primer, but like I said, this was a simple, everyday, straightforward makeup tutorial, and more on the natural side, but I feel like the shimmer kind of gave it a little bit more pizzazz. I don't know who still uses that word, but I do. And we're going in with a natural lash from Alluring Lashes and popping those bad boys on. If you guys need to use tweezers, use tweezers. Also, another good technique that I learned, but I know she wasn't doing it in this video, but ask your clients to look down, preferably, instead of closing their eyes, because when you close your eyes shut, it kind of allows the glue to connect to the bottom. So I learned that from a makeup artist. Her name is Diva Jones. Okay, y'all follow her, Diva Glams. And you see, I was having a little trouble because the girl didn't have no tweezers. But we got, see, boom, got it fixed though. She right, she ready. Going in with that Fenty liquid lip, and the lip appeared a little bit more glossier than usual because we did put on the lip balm before. But if you want to go for a more matte lipstick, matte finish, take a little bit of that chapstick off. But usually the Rihanna liquid lips, they apply on really shiny, but they do dry down to a matte finish, where it's more of like a satin velvet finish. But I like to use a lip brush to paint that on the lips, clean up and connect the dots, y'all, because she had a beautiful set of lips, so I really didn't have to do much to them. And that is all, you guys. Thank you for watching. See y'all in my next video. Bye.